Welcome to this tutorial on how to upload a video on a Wix website. Uploading a video to your Wix website can enhance user experience and help communicate your message more effectively. To start, log into your Wix account and access your website editor. First, click on the plus sign on the top bar to open the Add panel. Then select the video option from the panel. You can choose to upload a video from your computer, use a video from Wix Media Library, or embed a video from a third-party website such as YouTube or Vimeo. If you choose to upload a video from your computer, click on the Upload Video button and select the video file you want to upload. Make sure the video is in a compatible format such as MP4, and that it does not exceed the maximum file size limit. Once the video is uploaded, you can customize its settings by clicking on the video and then clicking on the settings icon. Here you can adjust the video size, position, and playback settings. You can also add a title, description, and tags to your video to make it more discoverable. To add the video to your website, drag and drop the video element to the desired location on your page. You can also use the Wix Video Player to create a video gallery or playlist. Best practices for uploading videos to your Wix website include optimizing your video for mobile devices, using eye-catching thumbnails, and keeping your video content fresh and up-to-date. By following these steps and best practices, you can easily upload and customize videos on your Wix website and enhance the user experience for your visitors. Remember to always preview your website before publishing to ensure that your video is playing correctly and that it is displayed as intended. With these simple steps, you can create an engaging and interactive website that showcases your video content.